In this video, I did more than one today actually. I'm going to paint this card here, and I call it Urban Nativity. It is the look of, let's say, a nativity scene that's being presented in a city, perhaps right on the street or right on the sidewalk, maybe even under some scaffolding or something of that sort. It's very impressionistic, but I just like the idea of the light and the dark working together. So let me show you how I did that. Okay, let's do another Christmas card. This one I'm going to start with very light in the middle, keeping the white paper, and it's going to gradually get darker toward the edges because I want this to be a nativity scene, and I want the nativity to be the bright spot. So let me just start. I'm going to use the hard, the solid paints, the watercolor paints. And first I want to get the paper wet. Let me do that first because I want to give the give the paint a way to spread around. This is going to be a layered painting, so I'm just going to get the whole painting surface wet. Not soaking wet, just a little bit wet. I don't know if you can tell I'm getting it wet here. Just enough to help spread the paint by itself. Just let it do as watercolors like to do. They like to spread. Okay, now back to let me get a different brush. Again, as I've said before, I don't really know the brushes, but I'll try my best to tell you what they are. If they're still labeled, this is a 10, and that's all I know, is the 10. All right, so let's take first this light yellow. Let's kind of put it everywhere, except for in the very middle, because we want that very middle to stay white.